welcome back to Ashlyn's Adventures. Today we're going to be talking about our very normal cruise on Independence of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. This is us parking our Tesla in a hooded garage, and it had supercharging, well, not supercharging, it had charging for the Tesla there. That's me and my mom boarding the ship. That's me and my dad and my mom boarding the ship. That's me being beautiful in a cupola. A cupola is a big window that you can sit in and watch stuff from outside the window. That's us in the cupola again, overlooking the Galveston port. That's the atrium of the ship. It's also the Royal Promenade. You can go eat, you can go shopping, and do lots of things. That's us overlooking the ship leaving from the cupola. That's our waiters, Renato and Rohan. That's a cheese plate. I only ate the cheddar because I'm very picky. That is Mama's panko salmon. She really liked it. That is my beautiful large steak as big as my forehead. I only ate half of it. It was yummy. That is me very fancily drinking water. That is Mama's gluten-free creme brulee. That is my dad's gluten-free key lime pie. That's me and my mom. Mom's with her cherry Coke. Us still on the deck, hanging out and watching the sunset. That's the beautiful micro purse my mom tricked my dad into buying. That's me and my beautiful headphones and my mother over there. That's me being silly and beautiful at the same time. That's my beautiful French toast I ate almost every day. It had the whipped cream and it was gluten-free. That's me being beautiful again in the cupola. That's me and my dad playing a trivia. There wasn't much things for unvaccinated guests to do, so I recommend getting your kids vaccinated before you go on this ship. That's me climbing. That's me and my Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Ben & Jerry's cost extra, but it's still delicious. Like, who cares? Those are the yummy mozzarella sticks I had. They're gluten-free. It was very delicious. I ate almost every day. This is what we got from ordering the night before. If you order the night before, you can get lots more gluten-free stuff than normal. That is gluten-free raspberry cheesecake. Raspberry chocolate cake. That is gluten-free bread. But for reference, let's show them the non-gluten-free bread. That is the non-gluten-free bread. Why are we showcasing this in a gluten-free video, guys? Well, just to show you how much more bread they have for non-gluten-free passengers. That is me being cute again. That is Costa Maya. No, that's not Costa Maya, that's Cozumel. And that's the beautiful mist wind air conditioning thing. That's my dad looking over pools and a beach. And Playa Maya. Yes, that's me and my mom in the pool. Looking gorgeous. That's And that's us leaving Cozumel. That is the chocolate cake that made me cry. It's gluten-free, and it has fudge and chocolate cake and whipped cream and the strawberries, and it was delicious. It was just so good I had to get seconds. And that is a tag for it. If you see that and you're in a gluten-free passenger, make sure to get it. That is the shrimp and rice my mom had. That shrimp was good. Oh, that's my steak, my United steak. Ba-dum-bum. That's my gluten-free pizza because why not? This is also a part of getting it the night before. That is a dog towel animal, and that is my kitty headphones. That is a picture taken with the Google Pixel 4. That is a gorgeous port of Costa Maya. I did not get off at this port, as you can see, my dad did. That is the Yadarita my dad got. That's my dad wearing his Hawaiian shirt and me and my mom photobombing. Yeah. That is my parents' mango mock tail they got. That's Honduras. I got to hold a sloth. It's so cute. There's my mom holding the sloth. There's my dad holding the sloth. There's my dad with a macaw on his head. There's my mom with a macaw on her head. There's a macaw on my arm. I was scared of it. It hurt my arm. I don't have scratches. That is an iguana. They were like all over the floor. Like, they were crazy. That was my birthday cake because we took this trip really close to my birthday before I turned 10. And it's gluten-free. And that's my bananas in the corner over there. You see my banana split that I can make by myself. And there's my beautiful cupola again, overlooking the city of Honduras after we left. There is us on a tender boat. For you people who have not cruised before, a tender boat is basically a boat that brings you from the cruise ship to the port. That's overlooking the boat. Goodbye. That's us on a train tour. That is the Belize sign because we're in Belize, people. And that is us looking over the beach from the train. That's me as an eye. That is an absolute gorgeous margarita my parents got. That's a lamb shank my mom said was absolutely delicious. That's the ice rink. That was us watching an ice show in the ice rink. That is us admiring murals. This is my dad winning bingo. This is a cache, which, what? It's an egg pie. That is lava cake. Gluten-free, might I add. That is me on the bouncy bounce. I don't know what to call it. Bounce. Yeah. Bye, cupcakes. See you in my next video.